Do you know many people are having trouble with installing an optical drive in their HP ProBook 6470b? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power down. Turn off your laptop completely. Disconnect the power cord and remove the battery for safety. Step 2. Open cover. Flip the laptop and locate the service cover. Unscrew and remove it to access internal components. Step 3. Locate bay. Find the optical drive slot in the upgrade bay. Unscrew if there is a drive present. Step 4. Insert drive. Insert the new optical drive into the slot, aligning it properly with the laptop side. Step 5. Finish up. Reattach the service cover, insert the battery, and power on the laptop to ensure installation. After following these steps, you should be able to install an optical drive in your HP ProBook 6470b successfully. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.